Just fix it. Okay. Good, mate. No problems. What was the cause of the car stalling? What did you say? A little bit too quick, wasn't it? How does the air conditioning affect our start-offs as well, mate? Any idea? Noise? A little bit, might do, but you can still hear the rev. Go on, give it a little bit of gas now. Still hear it.
Yeah, still there.
Alright, sound. So, not so much the noise. What does the aircon get its power from?
The engine.
The engine. Okay, really good. So therefore, has the engine got less power to move off if a little bit's being used for the air conditioning?
Yeah.
Next slip road left, please, mate. This one?
Oh, this one.
Good. Next means the one coming up, mate. Alright? So, I know in the English language it can mean sometimes the one after the next, not this one, the next one, yeah? But in the context of driving, if the examiner says take the next road on the left, it is the next one, the one coming up. Yeah, okay, so just go back to what I was saying about the air conditioning. The air conditioning runs off the engine, it takes a little bit of that power away, so you need to compensate maybe by giving it a little bit more gas. I could see by your gesturing of your left hand there, you said to me, a little bit more. Does that make sense as well? So any of these systems that run in the car, they work off the engine, and sometimes it can have a little effect. And it's amazing how much the air conditioning makes a difference to people's startups.